everyone! So sa ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this in reverse. So it's a touch. Either way. We also have this one. Kung sabihin ng Panginoon na meron tao na may masamang binabalak sa'yo at balak kanyang gambalain pero naka-in either way si touch. Ibig sabihin lang nun na gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na nilalayo ka ng Panginoon sa kanya kasi may balak siyang masamang gawin at para hindi kanya magambala or magalaw yung iyong buhay. We have the issue in either way, and we also have this one. Itong tao na masama na to, baka siya gumawa ng issue para magkaroon ng problem yung iyong relasyon. Can be it's about family relation, can be work, can be also love, as you can see. And we also have this one. So, upon saying that, may narinig tayong aso sa background. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na itong tao na to, magkakalat siguro siya ng chismis or magkakaroon ng away dahil sa kanya. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na itong tao na to, ginagawa niyang hard yung iyong buhay, kaya siya nag-aasik ng lagim sa iyong buhay. So, you have the mask here. We also have the chase in reverse. I feel here na whomever this is na masama na yan, siya ay nakasuot ng mask, which means is siguro, pinipilit niya na magbalat kayo na mabuti, kahit na hindi naman, deceitful naman siya behind the scenes. And we have the chase here in reverse. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, sa ngayon sinasabi ng Panginoon na iwasan nyo na mag-people please. Okay? Kasi may mga tao na ganito, na deceitful at hindi mo dapat sila i-chase. You get my point there? Yung mga tao na actually na hindi mo na kailangan i-please na alam mo na they acknowledge you, they love you for who you are genuine people, And let's see what we have here. So we have the weak. We also have the safe in either way. So, sa ngayon, kung sasabihin ng Panginoon, okay, na hindi safe sa ngayon, yung actually pagpipeople please. Kasi baka yung weakness mo ay sagahanap ka ng, let's say, attention or pagmamahal ng ibang tao. So, sa ngayon, I think God is calling you on to be grounded on your own and not to rely too much about sa attention. Kasi I feel na baka masaktan ka lang kung nag-rely ka sa attention. Diba? So, I think maybe this is a person na may issue talaga. Okay, kasi na-sense ko sa energy, maybe this person does have a crab mentality attitude. So, yung mga taong ganyan talaga may diferensya. And I feel that what you need to do here is kind of like not be somebody like them, honestly. At saka pansinin niyo yung ugali ng mga taong yan na mahilig silang manira. Maglaro ng madumi para lang mapansin. So, wag kang kagaya nila. Kung sakali man na may sabihin sila ng kung ano sa'yo, I would just say na be professional. Okay? And yeah, actions speak louder than words. Yun ang masasabi ko. So, just be you. Wag kang mag-pressure sa taong ito, honestly. At saka, let me remind you na whether they like it or not, the truth will always come out. Okay? So, anyway, that's it guys with today's message and God bless all of you.